it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Man, I'm so confused. Should I use the brush? No, the sponge. Oh, the brush. No, the sponge. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, guess what I'm gonna do today? I'm going to be using a beauty sponge to apply my foundation. I have never done that. Never. I don't use sponges to apply my foundation because I'm a brush junkie. Yeah, brush junkie. But today I wanted to try something that I've never done before. I want to use a beauty sponge to apply my foundation. And maybe you'll think that maybe this is not really a big deal, but for me it is, because I don't use sponges because sponges make your foundation, I don't know. I haven't tried, but I don't know. The idea of a sponge, it just sucks up everything and not really my thing. So I wanted to know if the sponge is going to apply my foundation any different, or if I'm going to end up falling in love with like a beauty sponge or something like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it out. So I'm going to be using this sponge from Practic by Sigma. Yes, and if you didn't know, I won this in a giveaway and I have been using it to apply my, you know, concealer and so forth. I've been using it in quite a few of my videos since I've received it. So I'm really excited about it. So we're going to be using this in the foundation routine today, and I'm just going to see how I like it. I know that maybe it's not really a big deal, but it's a big deal for me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're going to try this out. This is the beauty sponge by Practic by Sigma. Okay, so the foundation that we're going to go in with is the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat. It's pretty much the same as the Can't Stop Won't Stop, you know. So I'm going to be using this, the NYX Stay Matte, by applying. So I just applied the user foundation to apply it on the sponge, and I'm going to try it on my skin. So I'm going to go like so. Ooh, shakes. Okay, now. You went in with a little bit too much, Jody. And I don't usually use this much. So, let's see what's happening. Okay, so far it's doing a good job. Don't really see anything strange. Oh, but guess you know what, guys? I actually like it. Now it's giving me kind of NikkieTutorials kind of vibe. Yeah. But it's nice. I feel soft. This is nice. Let me take my lip gloss with oil actually. I don't want it to mix in my foundation. We're going to use what's left on the sponges to my forehead and to the hairline. Okay. And I think it's a little bit better because at least you can, you know, use a sponge right here. See? I think I want some foundation right here. The only thing is it's a little bit on the messy side. Yeah, it's on the messy side, and I have to go in with a little bit more foundation. So the only con is it's a little bit messy, because if you look at my fingers, especially my big finger, my thumb. Jody, seriously, my thumb has a little bit of foundation. So that's the only con, I would say. But it is doing a great job. I'm not really a sponge kind of girl, but I like it. I really like it. Oh. Oh, something on my eye. Ow! Something on my eye. Come on, scratch me. But I like it, guys. What do you think? Look at that. I think I see something right here on my mouth. I don't know if it's a little bit darker or something. But let me just go in with a little bit more foundation. Maybe this is the only thing that I have. I think the sponge, it kind of takes away some of the foundation. So this is the only con, I would say. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the NYX HD concealer. I'm just gonna take a little bit right here. Okay, we use this for the foundation. I'm gonna use this side for the concealer. Nice. How is it looking, guys? Gonna use the same this portion to just apply it, right? Blend a little bit right here. On the nose. I think I want to be a little bit brighter here. We're gonna use this, and I'm gonna use the same sponge, but I'm gonna use this part that we added the concealer, and I'm just gonna press it in this. Oh, I am loving it. I am really loving it. But guess what, guys? I'm gonna add some pressed powder now, but guys, I can't use a sponge for that. I can try to using this section. I'm just going to take it. I tried it once in one of my sweat-proof makeup, but it was kind of moving the makeup, but maybe because the sponge was wet. But now that it's a little bit drier, it's working out. Okay. I think it's working out, guys. I like it. Jesus, I can't believe it at work. I cannot believe that this is working. This is not fair. No, this is not fair at all. It's not fair. This isn't fair. So what you're trying to tell me, that brushes are not really that important? No. I disagree. I totally disagree. But it's working. Ambassador. That worked, ratted. Just just a little black. That work. But I think that a brush will do a better job. So you know what I'm going to do now? Guys, you know what I think about the brush now? The brush picks up too much product. That is the only problem. The sponge, I mean, picks up too much product. And it makes the foundation the base a little bit too full coverage. I never want it to be so full coverage. Yeah, it's a little bit too full coverage. But it looks nice. To really be honest, looks really nice. So guys, I'm gonna resort to my brushes now because my face feels full coverage. You see all of that? Those are brushes. Oh, and I got most of my stuff from BH Cosmetics. So I just use this, plus I have some more brushes. So I put all the clean brushes here and the dirty brushes are in a jar. So brushes, guys, brushes. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics V3 brush. So this is the BH Cosmetic V3 brush. This is better for me. Using the sponge to do a full face, it makes your foundation a little bit more full coverage, and it allows your face to be really like matte, because my face is a little bit, you know, it doesn't feel weird or bad, but it just feels so matte. Yeah, it feels very matte. I should start using my sponge if I want, you know, everyday kind of beat without the powder though. But if I want like full beat, everything to be on fleek and all of that, I will use the sponge for foundation, everything. So yeah, but the sponge, it works and it's soft on the skin. Yeah, I think I can break into using the sponge nowadays, and not too much of the brush because I'm a brush girl, but I think I can incorporate the sponge into my, you know, everyday makeup routine. So if you enjoyed this video, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think the sponge does a better job or the brush. I think the brush does a better job because I am more used to it, but the sponge did a good job today. As you can see, my base is really nice. I don't have any problem with it. So tell me what you think and see you in the next one. Bye bye.